Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics with G Bajaj. Today we will be doing chapter 2 polynomials. This is second question now. Find a cubic polynomial with the sum of product of its zeros taken 2 at a time and the product of its zeros as 2 minus 7 minus 14. You have to read out this kind of question very carefully, whether you have been given the zeros or s dash or p. In this question we have been given sum, that means s, that is 2, then sum of the product of its zeros taken 2 at a time, that means he is talking about s dash, and this is given to be minus 7, and product of its 0, that is p, which is equals to minus 14. Now simply you just have to mention the required cubic equation, which is equals to x cube minus sx square plus s dash x minus p equal to 0. So you can see first coefficient is with plus sign, then minus sign, then plus sign, then minus sign. You have to learn this way only. So let's put up the values now. X cube as such, s is given to be 2 and s dash is minus 7 and p is minus 14. So this becomes x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14, which is the required cubic equation. In case you have been given the zeros, that time you have to find out sum first of all, then s dash, and then p, and then you can fill up the values over here. That's it. Third question, exercise 2.4. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, a and a plus b, find a and b. In such type of questions, first of all we need the coefficients as well as the zeros. So let me write down the coefficient. This time I'm writing in caps because we have already been given zeros in the form of a and b, so we will be using capital. So a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 1 and d is 1. We are taking all these coefficients from the given cubic. A is the coefficient of x cube, b is the coefficient of x square, c is the coefficient of x, and d is 1. D is the constant term. And what are the zeros? Alpha, already given zeros, I'm just naming them. Beta is a and gamma is a plus b. So we know the sum, formula for sum, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b over a. So what is alpha? That is a minus b, beta is a, and gamma is a plus b, you can see, and minus b over a. I have to put up in capitals because already we have smalls with us. So b is minus 1 is in the formula, another minus is given to be with the coefficient, over a is 1. So here b gets cancelled, you are left with 3a, and here it is 3. So what is the value for a? 3 by 3, that gives 1. So a is equals to 1. So one of the value we got here. Let's find out the another one. You can use s dash as well, but I'm using product because I find it easier. So I'm taking this value, alpha beta into gamma, which is equals to minus d over a. So alpha is a minus b, beta is a, and gamma is a plus b, and minus d is 1 over 1. So here I know the value of a to be 1, so I am putting up this value here from 1. I am replacing a by 1 now. 1 minus b, 1 plus b equals to minus 1. So let's solve it. 1 multiplied by all brackets gives same. So this is dissolved here. a minus b into a plus b gives a square minus b square. So 1 minus b square minus 1. This b square goes over that side and I'm taking this minus 1 to be there. So what we are left with? B as plus minus square root 2. So we got both the values, a as 1 and b as plus minus square root 2. This is question number 3.